catch fish and all that.
I guess I'm all 30 GT.
Yeah, man. Sure. Perfect, man. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Don't bring a car by boat.
Yeah, like in the years, I know.
Go there.
Yeah, take your boat.
Okay. Oh, I see the boat. I see the boat come pick up the people there. I see it when they down here. When they down here in June, I see the boat. They come pick up the people there. And if you look way down, we have Rio Hotel. Yeah. Rio Hotel way down. Wow. Look at these cruise. Right here. Big and beautiful, nice. Oh. I just started watching the glass now for a second. The only from 15 feet to 150.
Yeah?
In a second. Yeah, man.
What?
Look, boss. Look, man.
This is what?
Yeah, look down. So it's like an underwater cliff.
Yeah.
No hill, no, just one drop off. Here.
Wow.
You see the
Okay,
difference
yeah.
of over and deep
Yeah,
part,
see
you know?
that.
Alright, so the deep part you're looking at now, that's the ship channel. It's
Oh.
like a road for the ship. So when the ship are coming in, we can't just drive anywhere so. We have a special part, these are the marker for the ship. You have one thing really fast that means danger. And you have one thing very slow, good. That depth's the right here, so you've got to go around. The last one down here, you have to go around it, come on the ship. It's smaller vessel, you can go across right here. And you know when the ship coming in, it have some pilot boat out and guiding coming in. This is very deep. Yeah man, very deep out here.
Where is it?
Yeah man, that's 150 feet guys. 150 feet and the cruise ship here, the deeper it is. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah man. Alright, so if that pier over here now, that's the government pier. And that one is a private dock. This is a private dock. This one is private. It's called the Reynolds pier. Oh, okay. And this one now is rock with a slap the ship on it. So they are repaired. Oh, okay. It's repaired. So we have to use this one until it's repaired. That's why the ship's kind of slow down. Like it's at 1 per week. You gotta get our ship for 4 weeks. Yeah. Now we just get like,
We don't got it here.
yeah, because this a fix. Oh, the dock are repair because, you know, some ships
Yeah, the sugar factory. Yeah.
Check that duck.
You think you're that too? Small sugar factory, guys. You think of that?
Yorkton, where the park?
Yorkton Worthy Park. Yeah, me know about Yorkton Worthy Park.
Where the park, man?
Yeah, Worthy
Where the
Park.
park? I only big one, right? No, everyone is locked down. They said they're locked down. Where the park? I only big.
Yeah.
All of them. Where the park? I only big. We say Worthy Park, all about over Jamaica, Kane come Worthy Park.
A Worthy Park. Yeah, man.
They locked down, all of them locked down. A Worthy Park are the only distributor now. So when you tell me now, say this is one. So let me tell you, no, Worthy Park big, big.
I want baby one, that one.
Alright, so you see green one on the beside it now. Yeah, the one that's in the night.
Yeah, you know what?
And the other one way up to the end, a few will finish it.
Alright. Worthy Park have like about 16 of that or more. Trailer there, John. Balances by trailer by trailer. Holy. A trailer jar cane come there.
Yeah, a trailer jack can come there.
Alright, rum bar rum. What they say make? Yeah, rum bar, same factory. I
Yeah.
see make same factory.
Yeah, that's the driver.
Rum bar. No, rum bar different from JD. Rum
Yeah.
bar different from Rain.
Yes.
Rum bar.
Me know a rum bar.
Rum bar is stronger rum.
Yes.
Stronger than all of them.
Yes. Me know a rum
But
bar.
maybe cartel rum now. Because me not sure if it's that. Cartel rum now.
JD.
Eva. Yeah man, cartel rum only for rum now. But rum bar is supposed stronger than them. You know, when people drink rum bar now, man, I walk and take and drop around the name. Yeah, man. Rum bar is the strongest rum out there.
Wow, look at this.
You ready for you, man?
Yeah, man, we're ready for anything. Woo. It's nice. Yes.
Watch out there.
Somebody cry, their parents and they're not going and the mother force him and from that time he come.
You go funny.
No boat ride.
Whoa.
Nice man,
Great.
especially if you don't want you not to go.
And it pull you so far so you have to be here till it stop. That means if you even want to come out, no, you can't come out. Look at those boats, nice.
Them four tall buildings right here, so
Mm-hmm.
30 towers.
Oh, okay.
And another resort, but it's not all inclusive.
Oh. These outside nice resorts.
Across, at Fisherman Point.
Mm-hmm. That's Fisherman Port.
How many inches did the beach from Turkey to? And a bit?
Yeah, man, look at them people here. Nice enough. I watch this in one.
From your Buckland place, you get to access the beach.
No, what then the whole beach in Turkey?
Yes, yes. Yes, that was
Yeah, they all going out there now.
Yes.
You want the name Turkey?
Yes, it used to name Turkey
I
now.
can change it now.
I'm telling me,
I recently named baby.
A Turkey to I didn't name.
the boss, you know it has rooms on the beach.
See?
Ah,
You
see?
know that's that?
Me know about it.
This, all of this over here, so that's called rooms on the beach.
Yeah, but there was no room on the beach when we did liquor. Yeah, but when we did liquor, I just pure Turkey towers where here was.
Yes.
Things and time changes. Yeah, man, things and time really changes. Wow, look at the beach. This boat ride is
So this is
nice.
the only local beach the government have this right. Everything else are private.
This one?
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
These are the only local beach the government have. Everything else is private. That's bad. That's sad. The government should have more
Sell out
people.
everything.
They sell out everything. Look on the boat up over this play, you know, and this. These little onions, they're nice. So I think.
Right here, so all of the boat them there, Ochi Marina, you can get all kind of boat.
Yeah.
Boat, glass bottom boat, speed boat,
Yeah, man.
anything. If you want to be able to go wedding, honeymoon, anything.
Yeah, man.
Nice. If you want married on it, yeah, man.
That's good. You hear that, Easton?
Yep.
You can go married again.
And when you call it anniversary, if you want to do anniversary, anything, you have a boat. You just get with the boat you want, and we just give you a nice price, a nice deal. Each time we do something with us, and we come back and we get a better price.
Oh, wow, sounds good.
Anytime,
We have to
the
come
next
back.
time we come, you know, we'll get a better price, and we'll see you again the next time. Price just keep on going.
Yeah, nice.
And the bigger the group, the smaller you pay, alright? The
Yes.
bigger the group, the smaller you pay.
Yeah, man.
Tonight, guys, how old are you?
Right, this is about 6 feet.
Yeah, man, them are that back. Them are pulling back to shore. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. This was nice.